First, we have to disconnect the shutter leaf from the main shaft. Then we have to create tension on the spring. Now we will see how to create a tension. And first we have to draw a straight line on the spring. Similarly, a straight line with a chalk. Okay, now we have marked. That is a white line, straight line. Now you take two rods approximately 18 inches length. One edge sharp. One is top roll, another one is rotating roll. Now stop roll we have to rotating roll. It's like that you have to rotate it. This is the for stopping roll. This is rotating rod. This is stopping rod. You have to use the rod, both rods like that. Now rotating, rotating, stopping. It is very simple. Similarly, you have to rotate so many rotations. You have to make so many rotations. Stopping, rotating, stopping. Carefully you have to do it. Very carefully you have to do it. It is very simple. If you take more care, there won't be any problem at all. Rotate, stop. Holes are provided for that only. Rotate, stop. Rotate, stop. Similarly, you have to do so many rotations. Patiently you have to do it. Now you see the straight road become round road. Finally you see how long you have to rotate. You can find out now very easily. Rotate, stop. Rotate, stop. You need only two rods, one edge sharpened. Rotate, stop. Rotate, stop. You have to do it so many rotations. How many rotations? You don't worry. Now you see dots. Take so many rotations. Now you can stop it. Okay. Then connect the leaf properly. Just insert the bolt. Put the nut tightly. So properly you have to adjust the spring wheel with the help of rod. Simply lift so that it will be easily fixed. There won't be any problem. Easily you can fix it. Tight it. Only one bolt. That's all. Full tight. Job over. There are two springs. One spring, job over. Slowly release the rod. First you have to tight. You see how he is making the tight. It is very simple. As per your requirement, you can adjust the wheel with the help of the rod. So now full tight. Leaf is fixed one side. Now slowly release the rod. Bottom it is locked. Now you are coming to another spring. Similarly, you have to make rotations in the spring also. It is already done. So both rods rotated. Now you are lifting, releasing the shutter. It is going up. It is very simple job. Okay, it is very simple job. Now you can move it very easily.